Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a quick follow-up on that Lionel 244 that arrived this afternoon. As you can see, I've installed a new pilot on it, and this is actually the pilot off of a Marks 400, and had a broken shell, and amputated the pilot and have just epoxied it directly onto the front of the Lionel 244. Now, the Lionel's pilot was broken completely off. And this actually fits quite well. And once this is resprayed, it's going to look completely original. Now, I'm very likely going to put a piece of tape on the inside of the shell and then just fill these holes with 5-minute epoxy. And then once that epoxy cures, spray it black, and that should be a virtually invisible repair. So for now, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 3 drops of mineral oil. That's straight mineral oil. And we're going to see how this will smoke. Now, it was smoking. This is the first time I've added oil to it. So let's see how this runs. So I've got it on track 2. I'm pulling 16 Marks cars. So let's see how this goes. And it's starting to smoke. I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but there's no doubt it's smoking. And as you can see, this locomotive is running just absolutely splendidly. So, it's far from perfect, but it was definitely worth $5. There's no doubt about that. So it has its new pilot, it's been cleaned up, it's been lubed and oiled, and it is smoking, even has a working headlight. So even though it's far from perfect, it was definitely worth the $5, no doubt. And considering I was going to buy this strictly for parts. Wow. You can really smell the mineral oil. So in any case, like I said, far from perfect, but that new pilot doesn't look bad at all. And overall condition would actually be quite good if it didn't have these 2 holes in the boiler. So like I said, I will very likely pull the motor out, put a piece of tape on the inside in both places, and then just fill the hole one at a time with 5-minute epoxy. That'll give me a chance to shape it as it cures. And then once it's cured, a quick spray of black paint. That will make the pilot match, and the holes will be virtually invisible. I don't think you'll be able to see them at all. And once they're hidden, you'll never know this was damaged. And as you see, one of the markers is missing. So I'll take a pair of nippy cutters and just clip this one off to make it match. There's really nothing left there to epoxy to. So I'll just clip the other one off to make it match. But as you can see, for $5, it was definitely worth the money. And it'll take a grand total of an hour or so to fill the holes in the shell. But like I said, considering I bought this for parts, this thing is running just absolutely splendidly. I was really surprised. Once I got the carpet fibers off of that front axle, this thing just came to life. And it is running just absolutely perfectly. I mean, you couldn't ask it to run better than this. It's pulling 16 cars. That's 60% power. And it's smoking. So, it was a fun surprise. You know, I anticipated getting this thing and just tearing it apart. But as you can see, it's running much too well to do anything to it except clean it up and run it. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's never going to be perfect, But how often do you find a running Lionel locomotive for $5? especially one that smokes. And I've had to do some repair to it, but that's all right. That's the fun part. So anyway, just a quick follow-up on this. I'll get that boiler repaired, spray the entire thing black. It's going to be a nice locomotive. There's no doubt about that. So, again, I've got to say it, don't overlook the junk. $5 on eBay, and here this thing is running just absolutely perfectly. And you could not ask it to run better than that. So, in any case, just want to do a follow-up video. I'll have this finished in the next day or so, so I'll do another follow-up once I have the boiler repaired. But it has a new pilot, it's smoking, it's running like new. Really hard to beat that combination. Anyway, just want to do a follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.